Dear students, good morning. Today I will discuss some important question on properties of triangle. Let's come to the first question. In a triangle ABC, A comma B comma C represents the sides. Thus find the sides and angles of the pedal triangles. First of all, we draw the triangle ABC. We draw the triangle ABC. So this is triangle ABC. A, B, C. And we draw the altitude from B to AC and A to BC and C to AB, and this is D, E, F. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is A, so this angle is equal to 90 minus A. And this angle in triangle AEB, this is 90 degree and this is A, so this angle is equal to 90 minus A. And we draw a line E to D, F to D and E to F, and this is the DEF. Triangle DEF is a pedal triangle. Here H is orthocenter. We know that EHDC, E, H, D, C are concyclic point. Therefore angle ECH is equal to angle EDH is equal to 90 minus A. Similarly FHDB, are concyclic. Therefore angle FBH is equal to angle FDH is equal to 90 minus A. This angle is equal to 90 minus A, and so this angle is equal to A, and this also is 90 minus A. So whole angle FDE is equal to 180 minus 2A. In this way we get again a pedal triangle. A, B, C, D, E, F. So this angle is equal to 180 minus 2A. Similarly, this angle is equal to 180 minus 2B. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle, only red part, only this angle is equal to 180 minus 2C. So angles of pedal triangles are, angles of the pedal triangles are 180 minus 2A, this angle, 180 minus 2B, this angle, and 180 minus 2C, this angle. You can say that (180) DEF. This is angle A, angle 180 minus 2B. Now here we draw, this is the 90 degree, BC is the hypotenuse in triangle FBC, in triangle FBC is a right angle triangle, and BC is equal to A, and this is the hypotenuse. So FB is equal to, you can write this angle is B, A cos B, A cos B. So in triangle FBD, in triangle FBD, and this angle is equal to A, this angle is equal to A. Here you can write sine rule, FB by sine A, FB by sine A is equal to FD by sin B. This implies FB is equal to A cos B, and this is the sin A is equal to FD by sin B. This implies FD is equal to A cos B into sin B by sin A, and we know that A by sin A is equal to 2R sin B into cos B, and 2R sin B is equal to, you can write B cos B, or you can write this as a R sin 2B. Therefore DF is equal to R sin 2B or equal to B cos B. Now come to the next figure. This is the triangle ABC, ABC, and this is the triangle DEF, and DEF is the pedal triangle. So this angle is equal to 180 minus 2a, and DF is equal to B cos B is equal to R sin 2B, and DE is equal to C cos C या R sin 2C. So this side and this side and this angle is known. Therefore, you can find that area of the triangle DEF. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 2 into DF into DE into sin 180 minus 2a. We know that area of the triangle. Here 1 by 2 DF is equal to R sin 2B, D is equal to R sin 2C into sin 180 minus 2a is equal to sin 2a, and you can write 1 by 2 R square sin 2a into sin 2b into sin 2c, and you have to remember this is the area of the triangle, area of the pedal triangle. Now again come to the next. In pedal triangle, this is the pedal triangle DEF, and this angle is equal to 180 minus 2a. So radius of circumcircle, radius of circumcircle of pedal triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 2 into EF by sin 180 minus 2a, and this is equal to 1 by 2 EF is equal to R sin 2a divided by sin 2a is equal to R by 2 equal to half of the triangle ABC, radius half of the triangle of triangle ABC. So you can find the area and triangle of this circle. Again come to the next. To find the in radius of the pedal triangle ABC. This is the pedal triangle DEF. This is equal to 180 minus 2a, and this side is equal to R sin 2b, and this side is equal to r sine 2c, and this sine is equal to r sine 2a. In radius of in circle, this is the in circle, and radius of this circle, radius of in circle of pedal triangle DEF is equal to delta by S, where delta is the area of the triangle DEF and S is the semi-perimeter. Here we have write 1 by 2 sine square 2a, sine 2a, sorry, sine square, not sine square, this is the sine 2a into r square sine 2a, area half r square sine 2a into sine 2b into sine 2c, and semi-perimeter is equal to r sine a, r sine 2a plus r sine 2b plus r sine 2c divided by 1 by 2. So you can write this half is cancelled, and you can write this r square sine 2a into sine 2b into sine 2c, r is common here, this is the sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. And you can write this r is cancelled out, so here is r, or you can write this sine 2a into sine 2b into sine 2c. And in triangle ABC we know that sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equal to, you can write 4 sine A into sine B into sine C. I have already taught you in previous video. So you can write this sine 2a by sine A is equal to, you can write r by 4 2 cos A, sine 2b by sine B, you can write 2 cos B, and sine 2c by sine C, you can write 2 cos C. This implies this 2 and 2 4 is cancelled out, and 2 and here r 2r cos A into cos B into cos C, and this is the in radius of pedal triangle, and you have to remember. I think you will understand the whole lecture of this video and this is a very important topic. If you understand our video, you should like, subscribe and share this channel